Hi guys, and welcome to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV, the platform to inspire, empower, and connect entrepreneurs worldwide. In today's video, I'm going to be addressing a very hot topic. I'm going to be talking about YouTube money. How to make money on YouTube with no subscribers. So if you're interested in finding out more on how you can make yourself some shmoney starting today on YouTube, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Welcome to the Startup Brain TV, where you can learn how to start and run a successful online business working from home or anywhere in the world, so you can finally live the life of freedom and fulfillment that you truly deserve. Now, a quick disclaimer before I start this video. As you guys can tell from my videos and my content and my views, I am not a large YouTuber. I actually started my YouTube channel in January 2017 and this is now October 2018 and I've got just below 6,000 subscribers, okay? As you guys know, YouTube is pretty much a numbers game and a lot of people judge people based on how many subscribers they have or how many views the videos are getting, which I think is really it's unfortunate because it doesn't give a lot of new startup YouTubers the opportunity to grow, unfortunately. But this doesn't mean you can't make money as a new YouTuber with no subscribers. There's actually a lot of potential out there for us new YouTubers to still make money on YouTube. But if your aim is to make money from YouTube, and I'm talking about YouTube Adsense, if that's your whole aim for starting a YouTube channel, to get famous, get lots of views and start getting that YouTube AdSense paycheck, then it will take you longer. And this strategy that I'm about to share with you guys is not necessarily going to work for you, because for YouTube to pay you, you're gonna need to get thousands of subscribers on your channel first of all, and thousands of views on your channel to qualify for the YouTube AdSense program. And it's becoming harder and harder for people to become approved as well. So before we get started, let's first of all look at the different ways you can make money on YouTube. A lot of influencers make money on YouTube from YouTube AdSense, where YouTube pays you for basically displaying ads on your video. In order for this to work, you're gonna need thousands of subscribers and you're gonna need thousands of views. So let's cross that one off the list. The second way you can make money on YouTube, of course, is from things like brand collaborations, where a brand basically sends you a product to review and in exchange they give you some money. They pay you some money for your review. So they're basically paying you to review their product. And this is what a lot of beauty influencers do on YouTube nowadays. They get brands basically sending them free packages to review on their YouTube videos, and in exchange the brand pays them some money as well for that, okay? Now do bear in mind there's other ways brands work with YouTubers as well, okay? But in order for this to work and in order for brands to start contacting you to review their products, you will need that subscriber base as well for any brands to basically take you seriously, unfortunately, because to their own advantage, they're looking for people with a subscriber base whereby you can promote your products to your audience and your followers. It's a win-win situation here. So if you have 0 subscribers on your YouTube channel, there's basically no chance of a brand reaching out to you to promote your products and paying you for that. You could do it for free, but you ain't really gonna make any money from doing that, right? So we're not gonna talk about that either. So let's cross that off the list. So I've talked about 2 ways you can make money on YouTube. However, you will need subscribers for that to work. Now, in order to make money on YouTube with no subscribers, let's dive right into a third strategy. And the final way you can make money on YouTube, which is what I personally do myself, is selling your own products or services. The first thing you're gonna need is your own products or services that you currently sell outside of YouTube. Yes, you're gonna need some sort of business that you already run outside of YouTube for this to work. Now, this could be your own products or this could be affiliate products that you currently sell that are relevant to your niche, okay, or industry. Say for example, you're a makeup artist out there. You could start a YouTube channel based on makeup, but you're actually using YouTube to promote your makeup business, okay, if that makes sense. So you're not just going on YouTube every day showing people how to do makeup and that's it. Like, what's the end goal of that video? The end goal of that video then essentially becomes you promoting your makeup business. And you need to start thinking about what type of online businesses you can start outside of YouTube, okay? Because I really want you to see YouTube as a marketing platform rather than just a platform where you're hoping to start making money off of YouTube in a few years down the line when you hit that 5,000 subscriber mark, okay? So I usually recommend you look into online type businesses because it's easier to start and it's low risk, okay? So this could be an online boutique business where you sell products online. You could think about even services. Maybe you offer consulting services. You could be a fashion consultant, a makeup consultant. There's so many businesses you can look into outside of YouTube, okay? And it's actually one of my previous videos where I talk about different types of online businesses you can start in 2018 and passive income streams you can start in 2018. I'll leave a link below, okay? So once you've established what product or service you want to sell outside of YouTube, the next step, of course, is do some research. Say, for example, you're a makeup artist, so you offer makeup services outside YouTube. What you could do is actually go on YouTube right now and search for how to do your makeup. Look at the different type of videos that other people are creating around the topic of makeup on YouTube. Write down a list of 5 to 10 different types of makeup topics that you could do for your own YouTube channel, okay? Have a look at these videos, look at the engagement, look at the type of questions people are asking, what are the difficulties people are having, and see how you can use that to build upon your own YouTube channel. I'm not saying copy what everyone else is doing, but there's other ways you can spice things up better, okay? Because at the end of the day, there's room out there for everyone. Don't feel like the market is oversaturated. In fact, competition is actually a good thing. If a lot of people are doing something, then it means there's a demand for that product out there in the market. It doesn't mean there's no room for you. It actually means it is working, which is why a lot of people are actually emulating similar strategies or tapping into that industry. Don't be scared of competition, okay? It's a good thing. Use your competitors as your research tool. And then you can move on to step 3, creating your content. So you're gonna need equipment for your YouTube channel, of course. You're gonna need a camera, which is the most valuable asset for your YouTube channel. People talk about using your iPhones and, you know, using your Samsungs and things like that. You can use your phone if you're good at editing, okay? But if you want to be taken seriously, depending on what type of content you're producing, especially if you're doing things like makeup, you really need to invest in high quality DSLR cameras, okay? There's a lot of them out there. And if you're interested in finding out more on DSLR cameras, then maybe I'll do a video sometime. I'm still learning myself how to, you know, use DSLR cameras myself. As you guys know, I'm still new on YouTube myself. So what you're gonna need is invest in camera. You can even think about daytime natural lighting to start with. You don't need to buy softbox lighting, umbrella lighting, and ring lights and things like that. Sound, you can use a mic as well, or you can use your phone to record sound. iPhones usually have a really good mic as well. What else? Backdrop, if you really want. I'm not using any backdrop, as you can see, it's just a white wall behind me, okay? So start thinking about what type of equipment you want to get your channel up and running, okay? So once you have your equipment up and running, the next step, of course, is start recording your videos. Just get started, okay? YouTube is a visual platform. It's all about video. If you don't have videos on your channel, no one's gonna find you, right? So you need to start creating video content on your channel. Now you have your topics already that you previously researched. It'll be easier for you to create some content around those topics. So start creating your makeup videos. Don't worry if it doesn't look that great initially. Don't worry if the quality isn't that great. I'm still working on my quality every single day. I'm not a videographer, but I'm teaching myself along the way. I'm learning things as I go along, and it's just an ongoing learning process, guys, to be honest. But don't put yourself off. Don't feel like you need to be professionally qualified to edit videos and to do whatever. Just get started with what you have, okay? So once you have things up and running, and again, this is not just for makeup, you can use this for business. I use this for business, for example. I'm currently creating a lot of content around starting an online business, and then what I do is I promote my products and services in my description box. So if you look at all of my videos, there's always going to be a link to one of my products that I'm currently selling. You see how that works? You don't need 1,000 or 10,000 of subscribers for that to work. As long as you have a product or service you're selling outside YouTube, you can literally create a video, shoot a short video, get people to click on your link if they want to find out more, and you'll be getting a lot of people going to your website and purchasing your products and services with no subscribers on YouTube, by the way. Because YouTube is basically the platform you're using to advertise your products. And unless you start looking at YouTube as a marketing platform, you will struggle to make money on YouTube, okay? Especially as a newbie just getting started. If you look at a lot of the popular YouTubers out there, you realize that they've had the channels going on for years and years and years in order to get to the point where they can now rely on the YouTube money. And once you have your videos recorded, the last step, of course, is to upload them on YouTube and start promoting your content. Now, when you're uploading your videos on YouTube, you need to make sure that your topics or your titles are actually captivating enough and they are search engine optimized as well. So basically, you need to make sure the keywords you're using are keywords that people are most likely going to search on Google. And the good thing about YouTube is Google now owns YouTube, meaning that if you went on YouTube and you uploaded a video on how to, I don't know, do your eyelashes, and someone went on Google searching for how to do your eyelashes, there's a high possibility that they will end up on your videos. And this is why you don't need subscribers to make money on YouTube, because a lot of people that go on Google searching for information will most likely not even have a YouTube account. And people can't really subscribe to your YouTube channel if they're not registered on YouTube. And this is why sometimes you get so many views on your channel, but you don't actually get people subscribing to your channel. But there's still a lot of people that will go visiting your website without a YouTube account, if that makes sense. When I started my YouTube channel in 2017, I used to get like 100 views in like a week, and I'll be like, why is no one watching my videos and stuff like that? When I checked the engagement I was getting on my website, it was overwhelming. I was making sales, I was getting people purchasing my products, I was getting emails, I was getting a lot of contacts, winning a lot of new clients. 100 views on YouTube may seem like nothing, but 100 customers is a lot. Just imagine having 100 customers coming to buy your products and services. That's a lot of people, right? So don't worry about the number of subscribers you get on YouTube, and this is the reason why I said you need a product or service for this to work. Of course, there's a lot more involved when it comes to starting a YouTube channel and making money off of a YouTube channel. This is just a quick overview on how to make money on YouTube with no subscribers. There's a lot more involved in the whole process, and if you're interested in finding out more on how to get your own online business up and running, then make sure you check out my 21-day boss book, which is due to launch sometime in November 2018. Date is yet to be announced. So click on that link below. Now, did you see what I just did there? If you've been following through this video, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, maybe you should watch this video again. Now, the 21-day boss book actually teaches you how to start your own online business in 21 days and how you can actually make your money work for you in a matter of just 21 days. It's full of a lot of activities for each day to really help you get things up and running from scratch. So it's not just an ordinary business book, but it's a really interactive book to get you up and running, okay? So check it out below, join the boss movement, and find out all the exciting things on the other side. And you will be the first to know as soon as the book is available for sale, okay? Thank you guys once again for watching my video. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any other tips on how to make money on YouTube with no subscribers, leave the comments down below because I would like to hear from you guys. Don't forget to like my video, share with anyone you feel will be inspired by my content, and most of all, don't forget to click on that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out. And I look forward to catching up with you guys in my next video. Bye for now.